Okay, again, so customer requirement at here. Center is a relationship. Above is the technical description. Above the roof is the technical relationship. At this side is the competitive. This one is the rating. Put in the value. Okay, so what is the step to build the house quality? So at the column part of the customer requirement, we call what the customer want. So include the goals, the objective, customer requirement is the identified customer requirement information. Okay, requirement or is requirement we put at what. So above and below the roof is the technical. We call how you can do it. Okay, so it's the measurable products or service characteristic. After the what have been identified, we will go to how you can do it. Okay, more customer requirement. Okay, we will focus on how. Relationship between what and how will be at the center. At the center, we will put this one as the relationship symbol. Okay, now you can see this is represent strong, medium, and weak. So interrelationship between customer requirement and technical requirement. So what and how relationship. Technical relationship is above the roof. Okay, between two technical, what is the relationship? Okay. Planning matrix. So this one is we also put in the relatively important of customer. Okay, so this one is the weightage, can be said is the weightage. And also got including customer competitive assessment. This one we will show example later on. What is that? So that means planning, the matrix we put in the numbers to identify the who is more important and less important. Okay, and then develop priorities customer requirement. So what is the priorities customer requirement? Which one is more important at the view of customer? Okay, so at the right hand side of the customer competitive assessment, right hand side. Okay, so basically in the competitive benchmark comparative, so a simple comparison the performance against your design and the competitive outside for each requirement of the customer. So we want to measure the current performance of our products again every requirement. Okay, later on. So the step of benchmark, identify what is your competitors, carry out reverse engineering from the competitors' product, understand their products pro and cons, finalize, okay, the customer requirement, you measure the performance of the competitors' product, okay, and give the rating, give the numbers rating. Okay, so this one is others requirement. This one we will discuss later on. From what customer requirement, what we can make it more and more details for different iteration. Details break down to the smaller one. We also can do that. Okay. So where is the application of QFD? We can apply in the production or manufacturing, in the maintenance, and for the design course or curriculum. So in the education, we also can apply the QFD. Okay, aerospace, performance measure, military needs, okay, application. Okay, this one is, that means a lot of big company, they already apply for that. Okay, the QFD. So, but they apply the basic and they modify and fit to their own requirement. Okay, so consult is the need to guide through at least the first few projects. So how to make the QFD success? throughout field project will make us more understand. The activity should be formal activity and every member should take part. So everybody also take part, so you'll be fully prepared. The information will be more complete. The meeting should be planned and regular intervals, short duration. So we will have meetings from time to time to update it to make the QFD more complete. Okay, so record the customer requirement is the key success. So the input, you get the wrong input, you will be get wrongly afterwards. So this one is very important. Okay. So we start from thinking that we don't know all the requirement of the customer. So that means start from the zero and get more information as you can. We normally didn't assume. Okay. Sometimes we will get a lot of new information. So as a conclusion, so KFT is not a pinnacle. This one is the medicine for everything. It's not for it's a solution for everything. No. Okay. So is what is not for QFD is not a block box. It's not a box. This is not the answer. Okay, not the answer. Inside don't have the answer. It's give you a guide. So this is not a software package. It can be changed from time to time. Okay, so another conclusion, I can say this is a metric-based decision analysis tools. This is very good name. The structure process to exploring solution to complex problem. The problem is too complex. This one give us a process, a guide. Okay, qualified expert judgment. So your judgment will become expert. So finally, I can say is the emphasize customer interaction and lead you to a better products. Okay, so we will go to more details in the another slide.